for large diameter pipes. Uniform heating inside and out is critical. Yuantuo's custom induction line handles seamless pipes from diameter 320 to 1000 millimeters. Quenching power 750 to 3500 kilowatts. Tempering 400 to 1600 kilowatts. Up to 10 tons per hour. Dual roller and independent drive feeding. Ensure precision alignment and even heating. Multi-loop close control ensures stable operation, even with plus or minus 20% voltage fluctuation. Yuantuo Induction, your reliable partner in global pipe heat treatment.